welcome to the video. You know, safety first, you know, but welcome to the video. We got a man, the granite comes with like pretty shitty shocks, and when the shocks go, they leak and like they get the tires all soaked in wet. So this tire, so my front to left and my rear right was oil soaked. And so when I was like doing the little spin out test, like power sliding left and then right, you could see one way turning right, it had much more traction and all that stuff. And then turning the other way, it would more spin out. That's because one of the back wheels was oiled and one of the front wheels was oiled. So yeah. Whoop. So here we are post run, about to get to the J5, but just wanted to show you the new blacked out paint jobs on everything. Everything is just kind of, that one's been blacked out, but new black down there. That one's been blacked. New fresh black on that one. Re-black on that one. Fresh black paint on that one from the stock saber-tooth body. And then finally the J5 is blacked out instead of the stock granite, orange and black, all that colorful stuff. But yeah, back post run. Had that one high speed little flip out at the end. Nothing happened really. What else? Stupidly in the house, when you can see, like, when the tires are like this, excuse the messy workbench, when it's like this, you can see like a tire looks cocked, like it's sticking out. So I was adjusting it when the wheels were in the air, but when you set the car back on the ground, the wheels adjust how they properly actually sit when the car's on the ground rolling. So I kind of had to fix that. Anyway, you saw how it was doing. The short wheelbase of the Granite plus the big wheels make it a wheelie monster. 3S to the four-wheel drive as usual, 6S to the EDF as usual. Just kind of giving you a close-up post-run of the blacked out body. And that's pretty much that. Stay tuned for more stuff from the other cars, more from this. Yep. And final little addendum. At high speed, like 50 miles per hour plus, the Sabertooth, like even stock Sabertooth or whatever, or upgraded Sabertooth with the EDF on top, the Sabertooth is much more stable at those high speeds than the Granite. The Granite is like kind of wobbly and kind of like, it seems like if I went 20 miles an hour faster, it might get airborne or something. So aerodynamics need to get worked on with that. Yep. Peace.